Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. One thing about me is that I like to stand out and be different, and this ring from Rinfit allows me to do just that. This is certainly not your standard silicone ring. I mean, do you see the size of my diamond? I absolutely love all the details that went into it and the fact that it looks like an actual wedding band set. That is really the number one reason why I chose this ring. And the quality, it's top tier. This ring is made of really thick silicone, so I have no concerns about it bursting or losing its shape over time. Actually, I've had it for 3 months now, and it looks just like the day I bought it. I put this ring through a lot during my daily life, but I can see it lasting me for a very, very long time, and I'm completely okay with that. 9 times out of 10, I'm wearing this ring over my actual wedding band, even to formal events. That's how much I love it, and that's my point of view.